To complete your setup on Zelle after signing up, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Download the Zelle app. If you haven't already, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Ensure you have a compatible device and a stable internet connection for a smooth installation. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You will need to provide your email address or mobile number, which will be used for sending and receiving money. Make sure to verify your information through the confirmation link or code sent to you. Step 3. Link your bank account. Once your account is created, you will need to link your bank account. Select your bank from the list provided or enter your bank details manually. Follow the instructions to authenticate your bank account, which may involve logging into your online banking or providing additional information. Step 4. Set up payment preferences. After linking your bank account, set up your payment preferences. This includes choosing how you want to receive notifications for transactions and setting any spending limits if applicable. Review your settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Step 5. Test the transaction. To finalize your setup, conduct a test transaction. Send a small amount of money to a friend or family member using Zelle. This will confirm that your account is fully operational and that you are comfortable using the app. Once you've completed these steps, you are ready to use Zelle for your transactions. Enjoy the convenience of sending and receiving money quickly and securely.